Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll explore the different parts of car from the front to the back. Let's get started.
Headlight, headlight, windshield, windscreen, side window, rear window, tail light, hood, bonnet, trunk, boot, sunroof, headlights, low beam, low, high beam, turn signal, indicator, blinker, grille, fog lights, brake light, backup light, reversing light, high mounted stoplight, license plate, number plate, number plate, windshield wiper, wheel, tire, hubcap, side view mirror, rear view mirror, seat belt, safety belt, seat headrest, steering wheel, horn, dashboard, speedometer, rev counter, tachometer, temperature gauge, fuel gauge, odometer, mileometer, pedals, clutch, brake, gas pedal, accelerator, emergency brake, parking brake, gear shift, stick shift, gear lever, floor mats, jack, muffler, silencer, tailpipe, exhaust pipe, engine, spark plug, battery, shock absorber.
Thanks for watching. If you like to watch more video regarding the other vehicles, so like and subscribe my channel.